2 service aces in 1 service session only happened to birthday girls. Apparently not,
well,
as Di Makulangan got 2 straight.
Of course, Di Makulangan, one time or I don't know if 2-time best server.
Ranked number 2 this season. Second only to Jack Alarca.
Best server awardee na rin natin yan in our postseason.
Berlin Bernal checks in to replace Manatikla Di Makulangan. Hearing it from the crowd, appreciating her work here in set number 4. Better reception for LaSalle. And if they get the good first ball, they can execute their offense.
Jack Alarca even asking for a higher set. Mababa pa yun eh. Swerte lang that the blockers of USD were late. She could, alam mo, Jack Alarca, that's why she's so efficient. Kasi yung reach niya mataas.
Again, this time though, that was too strong for Alarca. They run the same play.
But no snapping of the wrist at that last one. And that's still telling Esperanza to put it a bit higher.
The young Hirotsuji, after suffering a sprained ankle towards the end of the elimination round and in the early part of the Final Four, is back, and it seems she is 100%. Chacruz blocked! And the defense of USD now stepping up and showing the reason why they are ranked number 2 in blocking.
Look at this once again. Aiza Maizo and Ortiz.
Biggest lead of USD the entire match at 7 points. 10 serving 3, but that is too strong for Hirotsuji. Let's go and check in with Jessica Mendoza.
Eric, Coach Ramil has so far been straight to the point with the girls, telling them that their main problem is that they're allowing themselves to get rattled. Huwag kayong magmamadali. Hindi pwedeng parang hinahabol, dapat relax lang. He added that they should take time to make sure they receive an attack correctly, otherwise they're going to put all their hard work in the first 2 sets to waste. He insisted that they'll need to plug away at it point by point because they already know what they're supposed to do. Wala naman tayong babaguhin sa laro. Pakiramdaman nyo lang mabuti, Eric and Mosey.
Thanks, Jessica. And it seems like, I don't know if they're getting rattled or USD is just getting better.
Or, no, because I really think itong Lasal, he wanted to close it out right away. Nagmadali. Tama si Coach Ramil eh. Nandun sila. Pero dahil sa pagmamadali, had a lot of errors just like that one.
Wow! That was an impossible play that the crowd appreciates from USD. Take a look here. There's the first touch. This is almost impossible to get back. Dusaran on the second touch. And Ortiz, or was that Di Makulangan?
All one-handed reception. One-handed digs.
Barely getting it. I think it was Di Makulangan on the third ball. And everything going awry for LaSalle at this point, Mosey. What a run by USD as they are up by 9. Their biggest lead in the entire match. Coach Ramil wants to talk things over. Let's listen in.
Hindi mo pwedeng ganun. Lahat ng binigay mong bangon, double block, kasi walang may bibigyan na quick. I-over na yung bola, hindi na kinakit. Nasa out natin. Puso sa ginagawa, puso. Wala tayo focus sa ginagawa. Heart. Malayo pa yan. 3-1. Bilhin natin 3-0. 3-0, bilhin natin. Go!
Marubang Atika getting treatment from almost in every part of her body. Her ankle, her thigh, her side is getting rubbed as well. So the birthday girl sore in almost every part of her body, but still playing the game of her life. And it has infected the entire USD squad as they have built this, what seems to be an insurmountable lead at 9 points, 13-4. Blocked by Ortiz on Maraño.
Coach Ramil wants quick hits. So let's see if Esperanza will be able to deliver that. But USD once again.
All these points USD scoring right now, not to deflate their efforts, were easy pickups for LaSalle in the first 2 sets.
That's true.
These things easily went back the other way. But right now, LaSalle is confused. They are down by 10, 14-4. Even the reception is out of sorts.
it's as if LaSalle is in a tailspin. They can't recover from a series of errors.
Block again by Ortiz on Maraño. Ortiz attacking.
And that was even a miss hit by Ortiz. Should be, again, an easy pickup for De La Salle.
Take a look at the miss hit right there. Just barely catching the ball with her fingertips was Ortiz. They are up by 11. This is insane. With the way
Well, things turned out.
LaSalle is playing right now so badly. Maraño able to salvage a point out of that, what Mosey called a tailspin.
A push by Maraño. Actually, overset na naman sana yun. But Maraño making do with whatever she had and scored the point.
The pro UST crowd booing Gumabaw. Another miraculous ball on the way from UST. Cruz, the tip, finding the opening in the defense and getting a point.
Back-to-back push coming from De La Salle scores them 2 points. There were 3 blockers actually in front of Jack Cruz, but easily seeing that open area. Oh, and Gumabaw with a long one.
Back to a 10-point lead, UST 16-6 in set number 4.